Hey all, welcome to 89-second Tech Tips. I'm Drew from Technology. Today I want to share with you some of the keyboard shortcuts for YouTube. So you can see I've got a YouTube video up for my class ready to play. And you may know that the spacebar does play and pause. And another way to play and pause is the K button on the keyboard. And that way J, K, and L are the keys on the keyboard that will back it up 10 seconds on J. Hit play with the K button or pause with the K button as well, and the L key will skip ahead 10 seconds. Another nice one is if you want closed captioning on, you can just hit the C key and closed captioning pops up. There we go. And also the number keys will jump to a percentage of the length of the track. So if I hit the 2 key, it'll go to 20% of the video length, or 5 will go halfway through, and a 9 will get 90% all the way to the end there. So there's a quick tip. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.